Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add a profile picture on Duolingo app. It's a very easy step, so just you need to follow my steps line by line. Now let's get into the tutorial. At first open the Duolingo app, then tap on the fourth option at the bottom bar. Now here you will see this interface of your profile, then tap on the setting option at the top right corner. Here you will see several options like preferences, profile notification, courses and many more, but you have to click on the profile option, that is at the second. Now here you will see the option of change avatar here, so tap on it, and now you can manage everything of your desire like skin color, spectacles, combs, hairs, everything. After it all, tap on the done option, that is at the top right corner. So that's how you can add a profile picture to the Duolingo app. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.